Hello everybody and welcome back to my all-in-one $25 business step-by-step tutorial. If you would, please do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button right below this video. That way you'll get notified every time when I make a new video. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. So for those of you that don't know me, my name is Ebe Wazir, aka Ebe the Affiliate. And what I'm doing is I'm showing people how to make money online, doing the same strategies that I've been taught and that I've been doing this year. And I have a couple of training series to go over real quick. This one's not a training series, but there is a webinar. I do a little review and I go over the compensation plan of this one called Savings Highway Global. I've never seen a program like this before. Everything else that I promote outside of this program, I have to promote on my own, and that's the only way that I get paid is for all the efforts that I put in. With Savings Highway Global, you'll be joining a team, and whenever I get a sale, I have to place people underneath other people. So, in other words, you will get paid for your team's effort, and I am on the #1 team on that website. Like literally, that it's a fact. We're #1 on the leaderboard. So you can get paid for other people's work. So go ahead, check that out and see how that works. It's the craziest compensation plan I have ever seen, hands down. And the one you're on right now, the video that I'm doing a tutorial for, is the all-in-one $25 business. I don't need to go over that because that's what you're watching right now. What I do want to say is, if you did not watch the first video, this is the second video of the series, go back and watch the first video because I do go over everything that you get for $25 whenever you join the all-in-one $25 business. All right, I do have a high ticket affiliate marketing series. I go through step by step what I do to make money online with this program, and the traffic that I get is free traffic. I teach you how to get free traffic. Now, you are going to have to sacrifice some of your time in order to get free traffic, but I do have paid sources as well for you to get traffic. So there's no wrong way. If you could do both, if you can pay and get the free traffic, then you're going to be real successful in this business. It's high ticket because you have to own every single thing to get paid for it, and some of these things can be pretty high priced, but the commissions you can make are up to $3,200. So that's another thing you might want to consider. It's a really good program, really good community, really good leaders. And last but not least, I got a ClickBank series that I got a ClickBank series that I'm going over. And I show people how to promote ClickBank products using the service called My Lead Gen Secret. So you need to check that out as well. ClickBank is free to join. So for the people that can't afford the high ticket stuff or anything else, I highly recommend checking out the ClickBank series. All right, so like I said, I'm doing my training videos a little bit different. So what we're going to focus on in this video is just creating our domain name. And what that is, we're just going to come up with our own website. So the reason we're doing that is because our affiliate links look real long like this, and we don't want to send somebody to these really long links, especially if we're making short form videos and we're like, hey, go here. You know, ain't nobody going to want to type in all of that. So what we need to do is we need to come up with a custom domain. So I have this little sheet. I'm going to put this underneath every video. We're on day 1, so this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to go to hbahosting.com. So you can always click on there, then just click on the little thing that drops down below it. And that'll bring you to a link right here. Now what you're going to do is you want to come up with ideas, you know, all-in-one $25 business, $25 business. Now you want to come up with something that ties in to the company that you're promoting. $25 business, you know, just type in some things. All-in-one 25. Make them .com too, I forgot. Put .com behind. All-in-one 25. So you just brainstorm for a while, come up with your own custom domain. Also, if you need help coming up with your custom domain, there is a website called busttheName.com. You can click on it in the thing. and it'll bring you to a page like this. So you could type in words like, first, be sure to check this box that says 3-word combine. Make sure 2-word combine and 3-word combine are both checked. Then you could type in stuff like $25 business, hit enter, and it'll give you some ideas over here. You can just keep adding words like my, put the word dollars, let's make it plural. But see, they give you ideas over here. Then you could just like dollar my business. some of them of course won't make sense. $25 dollars. Since I put dollars twice, they're gonna double up on the dollars. Dollars, my dollars, 25. So this is just a tool. Of course, there's some horrible ones. Let's see. Freedom. Put the word freedom in there. You can sort the order by alphabetical. So let's see. 25 freedom dollar. 25 freedom dollars. That's a good one. 25freedomdollars.com. And then once you see something over here, you can come back over to this domain and see if it's available. So 25freedomdollars.com. So you can write down as many as you need, and you'll just hit search for domains, and it'll let you know if those are available. So all of those are unavailable. So I have to try to find something else. So you just keep browsing till you find something. This one's going to be corny. I'm not going to buy this. I'm just walking you through the steps. So let's just say I want a 25mybusiness.com. It's available. So as you can see, it's $12.99 for 1 year. That's an annual subscription. So it will reoccur every year at this price. And this comes with your own email, so you don't have to purchase anything else to be able to email from this. So what you would do is you would just click select, then you would click checkout. Whenever you find a domain that you want, I was just being stupid with that one. Then right here, you will sign in, create you an account, and sign in with your credentials. I'll go ahead and sign in real quick. All right, after you sign in, you'll just click on your online payment options. So credit, debit card, pay online, and just follow the steps. And you will now officially have your own domain created. So come back and see me in the next video, and I'll tell you what to do with this domain that we created. So thank you all for tuning in.